Welcome to my channel, and I have a CVS haul from you guys. I did awesome. It came out to be super awesome haul. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. So now, as you guys know, I have an older card and a newer card. The reason why is because my older card wasn't getting as many good deals, so I got a newer card. So now, I don't know, I kind of get both deals from both cards just to show you guys, because I get different CRTs for different cards. So what I ended up getting is the L'Oreal Paris shampoo and conditioner. Now I ended up getting these for both cards because I both had CRTs for these. So these were $4.99. It said buy two, you guys would end up getting a $4 ECB. So you buy two of them, you guys want to use that $4 off of two. Sorry, my family's dancing in the background. Graham! So, $4 off of two, plus I had a 3 off of 2 CRT. So I ended up paying just $2.98 for two of these, and I got a $4 ECB back, making these a $1.02 moneymaker for each card. So you cannot pass up a great deal on shampoo and conditioner. So we got that. I ended up getting the Dove hair care with my older card. So these were $4, 2 for $4. I used a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in this Sunday's paper. Plus I used a 3 off of 2 CRT that printed off today. So you guys would just pay $2 for the both of these, which is a pretty decent deal. I ended up getting the Survey. I used my old card for this one. The Survey cleansing bars. These were $7.19 at my store. It was buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would end up paying $10.79 for the both of these, but then there you want to print off two $3 off coupons from coupons.com. You guys would end up paying $4.79 for the both of these, but then you get a $5 ECB back, making it a 21-cent moneymaker. So I got that. I ended up doing the P&G deal with my new card. I ended up getting the Tide Pods. Now these were $4.97. I used a $2 off coupon that I print off the brandsaver.com because I don't get these coupons, so I was able to print those off. And then I ended up getting 6 bottles of the Pantene Pro V. So these were $4 a piece, 3 for $12. I used two $5 off of 3 coupons that were in this P&G. So as you guys see, I have 6 of them. I bought a lot of shampoo and conditioner. I haven't bought shampoo and conditioner from CVS in a long time. And I also had a 4 off 18 shampoo and conditioner CRT, and I had a 5 off of 18 Pantene CRT. So there was that, and then I also just got a 99-cent Dawn dish soap because I needed to spend $30. So I ended up paying $8.93 for those, 8 items with those coupons that I used. But then I got a $10 ECB back, so this ends up becoming a $1.07 moneymaker. You can't go wrong with free shampoo. I swear, like, all my shampoo is free today. With my old card, I ended up getting a $2 off children's Advil or something like that. So this was $6.79. I used that $3 off coupon that we just got in today's paper, plus that $2 off CRT. I paid $1.79 for this, but then you guys would get a $1 ECB back, making this just 79 cents. So we got that. Now, I ended up going crazy with the Hershey's Gold. Now, these were 2 for $2. I used a buy one, get one free coupon, plus I used that $1 off CRT that we got. So these would have been free. I got 6 of them. My husband already took one because he loves these. And then my second transaction with my other card, the CRT did not come off, and she's like, well, you can return it, we can redo it. I says, no, don't worry about it, because the coupon took $1.49 off, so I got 2 of them for like $0.25 a piece, which is still a great deal. But then I went back and used I had a third buy one get one free coupon, so I just went back to use that coupon, and I used the CRT that didn't work, and I didn't have to pay anything. It came to 0, so I got 6 of these for like literally 50 cents. That's an awesome deal. Ended up getting the Crest mouthwash because I thought was a pretty decent deal. So this was $4.99. I bought 2 of them. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we just got in this P&G inserts. I also had a $2 off of 8 CRT that I got for mouthwash or toothpaste. So I ended up paying $5.98 for both of these, but then I got a $2 ECB back times 2, so I got $4 back, making these just $1.98 or 99 cents, which I thought a big bottle for 98 cents is a great deal. I ended up getting the CoverGirl makeup because I had some makeup CRTs that were expiring, and I actually had those coupons that popped up on coupons.com, which I was super excited about. So for my old card, these were $5.99 a piece. Okay, I used that 3 off of 2 coupon that was just on coupons.com. You guys would also get it in your inserts, but I didn't get those coupons. So 3 off of 2. And then I also had a 3 off of CoverGirl. So I ended up paying $5.98 for both of these, but then I got a $5 ECB back, so making these just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece, which I think was a great deal. So that was with my old card. With my new card, I ended up doing the same deal, but I had a 3 off of CoverGirl, plus I had a 3 off of 12 makeup coupon. So I ended up paying $2.98 for this, but I got $5. So this ends up becoming a $2.02 moneymaker. So I couldn't pass it up. And I don't have a lot of CoverGirl eyeshadow, so I got that deal. I ended up getting this Axe deodorant. I just saw they had some stuff on clearance. So this was $1.44. I used that $1 off coupon that we just got in this Unilever that we just got. So this was just 44 cents. I thought, why not? And then this is what I'm super excited for. I love Secret deodorant. Like, this is one of my favorites. So these were $2.49 on clearance. I had a 2 off of 2 coupon that we just got in today's P&G, and it didn't say anything about 2 packs or anything, and the coupon scanned just fine. So and since it's on clearance, I couldn't use any CRTs, but I ended up paying $2.98 for the 4 of these, which in my opinion is a great deal. I got them basically for 75 cents a piece, and like I said, these are my favorite deodorants. I don't get to coupon for these very often, and my pile is low, so I was super excited about that. So definitely check your store. I actually should have gotten more, but I don't know. They don't expire for like another year, so couldn't pass that up. And then the next deal and the last deal that I got is this organic brand. Now there is a coupon that you guys can clip to your card in the regular coupons on the app. It's a $10 off any organic. Now I did have problems with that coupon coming off, but she helped me out with that. So these were $14.99, okay? They were on sale for 25% off, which comes out to be $11.24 a piece. They had this deal where if you spend $20, you get a $10 ECB. So I ended up buying 2 of these. These both were $14.99. I used that $10 off coupon. So you guys would end up paying $12.48 for this. But then you guys would get a $10 ECB, making the final price just $2.48 or $1.25. I got a organic tea tree face wash, and then I got organic Rose Otto face mask. So I don't know, I'm not into this stuff, but you know, it couldn't go wrong with $1.25 stuff for that. So with my old card, and that one I paid with my old card also. So with my old card, the total came to $0.000. It was weird. I ended up using $19 of ECBs to pay for everything, but then I got $25 back. So that ended up becoming a $6 moneymaker. I'm pretty excited about that. My new card, it just came to 15 cents. I used $31 of ECBs, but I received $23 back, so I did take a loss. So technically that cost me $8.15, which I still want to say that's an awesome deal for all the stuff that I got. If you guys add both transactions together, I got 34 items for $2.15. That comes out to be 6 cents a piece, which I was pretty excited. You know, I can't go wrong with this, and I'm pretty excited I got more variety of things. Like, I'm super low on mouthwash in my stockpile. I love stocking up on dish soap, and so there's that. But if you guys enjoyed my awesome CVS haul, give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys another time for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.